Good evening to respected dignitaries and my fellow panelists and this August gathering. This is a very important topic, but has given the last place. Technical education is a very important part of the yeah. So, in Madhya Pradesh, just to unify the technical education in the state of Madhya Pradesh, Rajiv Gandhi Technological University has been. Can you call? Rajiv Gandhi Technological University has been established in the year 1998 to unify the technical education in the common platform. And earlier, all the engineering institution, architecture institution, MCA institution were affiliated to the regional universities. So, just I have 2-3 minutes for this. What is the RGP? What are the achievements and what are the latest activities of the Rajiv Gandhi Technological University? So, Rajiv Gandhi Technical University is affiliating almost 215 engineering institutions and also MCA institution and the architecture institution, polytechnic institution, also running the postgraduate program in the affiliated institution in the university teaching departments of the RGPV also. The campus is a total lush green campus around 250 acres located at Bhopal. Now, the main vision for the RGPV, Rajiv Gandhi Technical University, is the relevance, and relevance having important significant factor, that is need-based courses as per the requirement and the need for the industries, the upcoming technologies, and the demand-driven services as per the demand, and the problem-based research and development. What are the problems that are arriving and day-to-day coming in the industries and the various sectors? So we are also designing and drafting the courses like this. Then the next one is the quality. Research, we are also maintaining the quality of the research, teaching and the innovation, and also developing the skills by the e-learning, self-learning and the virtual learning, and the competence certification. To create the competence, core competence in the students, in the faculties, the RGPV is also taking the initiatives. That is also important part of the equity in the technical education, the remedial learning. Time to time, so many measures and the initiatives are being taken for the remedial learning. Next is the final part of the proactivity. The RGPV is taking care of the proactivity, also the initiatives in the field of the partnership with the industries, networks with the national bodies and also international bodies and globally. The RGPV outreach with the government departments, some directed technical education, the Vyapam, who is the exam entrance conducting body, and the polytechnics, the stakeholder students and the industry partners also. The focal thrust of the Rajiv Gandhi Technological University is developing a tech-savvy campus of the university itself. Also, we are giving time to time directives to the affiliated institution in the state of Madhya Pradesh to take the advantage and apply the ICT applications to their campus for the benefits of the students and the faculties. And also, we are taking the advantage of the National Knowledge Network at the national level, that is Government of India scheme. We are giving a very good capacity building to the affiliate students also. Strengthening knowledge infrastructure, leveraging ICT applications. So many speakers right from morning saying the application of the ICT applications to the technical education and the advancement in the technology. The Rajiv Gandhi Technology has already started from last 2-3 years the online service portal. In the later slide, the detail will be given. Also, the time-to-time introduction of the courses. The focus area in the Rajiv Gandhi Technological University is the imparting quality education at the postgraduate level, also at the doctorate level, and the value addition courses and training programs, the ethical values in the faculty and the students, the value education programs are also being run, and that will be a important and mandatory part of the education, leveraging advantage of the ICT, seamless transfer of the knowledge time to time, ongoing extension and the research programs, knowledge portal, quality service like this, synchronous classroom, e-learning and e-knowledge. Time to time, university is also inviting the faculty of all the affiliated institution in state of Madhya Pradesh for the faculty development program. We are inviting the expert lecture for the from the industries, from process industries, information technology industries, and the couple of industrialists from out of the India also. Establishing world-class research institutions, those institutions who are having a very good infrastructure, very good strength in the faculty, laboratory facilities. So RGP developing establishing the research center for the affiliated institution also. Strengthening the industry institution partnership, that is very important part for the development of the entrepreneur skill in the students, and also to expose the faculty and the students for the practical practices which are prevailing in the industries. Now, the theme of this last session is the challenges of technical education. The principal challenge, this massive expansion of the higher technical, is the maintaining the quality. Now, for bridging the gap of the pass out student or graduating student and getting the employment, after taking the employment in the IT sector, in the manufacturing or in process industries, the industries also imparting the training to the students. Why the gap is there? That is a very big challenge. At least after selecting in the Mahatri Sahab has also placed so many students from the affiliated institution. They are imparting training for 6 months, 1 year like this. Why not that can be done during the course of the time? Although there is a place, there is a provision has been given in the syllabus that the industrial training is a part of the full 4-year program. But sometimes the students are going in the industry, sometimes they are getting the attendance but not developing and inculcating the practical knowledge, so that after graduation they can directly go on the work. Even already, so many speakers told about 20 to 25% of the qualified students in India having the employable skill or the knowledge. Major portion is the shortage of the faculty. Faculty are there, but as per the norms of the AICTE, there is a very massive shortage in the field of the, at least in engineering, because the number of institutions in Madhya Pradesh are 100, 215. So there is acute shortage of the faculties, at least in the field of computer science, information technology, electronics and communication, like this. Now, another challenge, the premier institution, RGP and the National Institute of Technology and some IITs, may be possible that they are failed to inspire or nurture innovation, entrepreneurship skill and path-breaking technological ideas as generated in the foreign universities. Just like you can say Stanford, MIT, they have the benchmark. But we are doing and we are progressing to take the top in the India. There is also a need of new institution coming up, but hopefully provide thought leaders and also the quality education. Now it is the time for need for restructuring of technical education. The real challenge is how to reposition our institution, our universities in response to the global changes that is happening day to day, daily. The next point is the era of rapid technological advancement spawned a communication revolution that is pervading every region of the world and creating a global information society. We have vast ready pool of skilled personnel that entrepreneurs found cheaper than the industrial workforces. Demand for greater productivity, new technologies are radiating into almost every industrial sector in all the field and all the disciplines. Both the industry and educational institutions put their soldiers to wheel, just like MOUs, starting of the corporate schools, finish schools, the exchange of the faculty, exchange of the expertise between the industry and the institution, exchange of the students, so that they can give the practical practices. Partnership may be developed in one or the major areas, the faculty exchange, resource support, resource utilization like this. Development of the entrepreneurial skill to make the students employable in the industry, and we will increase our ratio from 25% to maybe higher 40%, 50% like this. This is also a very big challenge. In a rapidly evolving work environment, education and vocational guidance, vocational development courses, skill development courses has to be started. Plans are there, policies are there, but we have to implement to get the real advantage of the schemes of the government. Demonstrate effective oral, the faculty must have certain capabilities or the potential, as they in the morning our honorable minister also said, the teacher is the real makers of the student, or you can say the real makers and the directly in the nation. But the teacher have to teach the student ethical education, value education. So we have to create the value education for the student, development of the teachers, because what is happening actually, the top grade students, suppose in Indore, you can select the 5 institution engineering. So topper students are getting the job in the TCS, Microsoft, IBM like this. Now the second level of the students getting the job in some other companies. Third level students getting the job in fourth level companies. जो लास्ट स्टूडेंट बचता है, जिसको कि कहीं जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है, वो टीचिंग में आता है. अब आप देखिए कि एक टॉपर लड़के को, जो लास्ट बैच का स्टूडेंट है, वो फैकल्टी बन जाता है. आजकल तो आईसीटी ने एमटेक कर दिया है, तो पहले तो डायरेक्टली बीई वाले बनते थे. अब लास्ट लेवल स्टूडेंट्स, फैकल्टीज आर टीचिंग टू दी स्टूडेंट्स. तो हाउ यू कैन मैच द क्वालिटी, हाउ कैन एक्सपेक्ट ए वेरी गुड क्वालिटी फ्रॉम सच टाइप ऑफ फैकल्टी? दिस इज ए वेरी बिग चैलेंज. ऐसी कुछ योजनाएं बनाना चाहिए, ऐसे कुछ प्लान बनाना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ मैंडेटरी करना चाहिए कि हर इंस्टीट्यूशन के टॉपर फाइनल स्टूडेंट्स, दे हैव टू सर्व इन द टीचिंग प्रोफेशन फॉर कपल ऑफ मंथ्स और कपल ऑफ ईयर, और मे बी वॉलंटरी और एज ए गेस्ट फैकल्टी, क्योंकि ये एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है. नाउ द RGPV is doing some industry-sponsored program that is our in the pipeline. Maybe from the next academic session, we will start the industry-sponsored PG program. Just in the tune, the curriculum content will be given by the industry, and dissertation will also be done in the sponsoring industries. So that now Global Skill Development Center (RGPV) is also planning to establish the Global Skill Development Center in the campus. This is the model of the Global Skill Development Center. Now the corporate school, in the joining hands with the industries, the university is also started and are starting some schools. We are also starting the corporate school in the field of information technology, computer science, electronics communication like this. Now the new center of the excellence proposed in the RGP in the field of biotechnology, biomedical engineering, mobile computing, discovery in the field of pharmacy, nanotechnology like this. Now some also centers in the drug discovery in the field of pharmacy, finish school, corporate school, skill development centers. The plans of the RGPV starting of the Finish school in the field of information technology is already running. Develop the venture capital knowledge resource center. These are the some innovative plans in the future. In the due course of the time, this things will be started in the campus. Now the most important part of the, as I said in the outset, the online e-governance or the application of the ICT facilities in the campus of the RGPV, also in the affiliated institution, giving the facilities for the stakeholders like this is the model. Examination, all the activities of the examinations are being conducted or carried out through our service portal, online portal, all the activities, just like the eligibility and the numbers and the certification, feedback students, for the student fee payment, project assignment, this, and the institution, the facility for the institution, the staff profile, physical facility, institution performance, curriculum relations, all these factors and the activities are online. The objective of the university to create the paperless and cashless university, make the self-sustainable and self-driven university. And university services, the main target is the opening of the university 24/7, 24 hours, so that the student and faculty can take the maximum benefit of the facilities and the resources available in the university. Service first, some initiatives of the Rajiv Gandhi Technological University is the unique identification code, or the smart card has been distributed to all the students of the university. University is enrolling approximately 4 lakhs students per annum, including all the programs. The university placement portal is also a part of this service portal, main portal. E-books, e-facilities, e-library facilities are also being started in the university. The RGPV is also strengthened this portal by introducing value-added services. So many speakers right from the RGPV cloud, on-demand lecture, the expert lecture, virtual classroom facility, virtual lecture facilities will be also available. These are the corporate alliance, the MOU, having in the tune or matching with the objective of the industry and institution interaction. Like some companies, we are having a MOU, like Wipro, EMC, Square, IBM also. So IBM has established already in Madhya Pradesh in affiliated institution 15 center of excellences, couple of institutions in Indore also having a RGPV, IBM, and the joint partnership of the institution, the center of excellences. This is the very good initiative of the RGPV. And also RGPV having plan to set up a research in the core engineering, like civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, like this. And also to promote, to motivate, to inspire, to ignite the researchers, maybe from the faculty, maybe from the students. The RGPV has already started a scholarship of the 16,000 per month for the meritorious research-driven or research-oriented students. And also for this, having the fund about 10 crores for this particular purpose. For the so many activities has also been developed in the field of training and placement, and this is the presentation. So a lot of things we have to discuss, but now the time has been started at 6 o'clock. As per the timetable, as per the agenda, the finish time of the at 6 p.m. So this is, I think, fortunately, unfortunately, good or bad. Although in this session our Director Technical Education from the and also our Vice Chancellor has to come in this technical session, but because of their business they have not come. But very good, I think this should be kept in the top place, that will be better. Thank you.